Hydro International College offers a professional makeup artistry course. This is a one-year course which includes a variety of different modules, providing you with the tools to be a successful makeup artist in the industry. The modules covered in the makeup artistry course include professional eyelash extensions, manicure and pedicure, nail technology which includes gel nails, acrylic nails, as well as basic nail art, professional makeup applications including day makeup, evening makeup, bridal makeup, photographic makeup, corrective makeup, as well as traditional styles of makeup including American, French, and Japanese makeup. Registration for the makeup artistry course is still open. For more information, please visit our website on www.hydroint.co.za. We look forward to welcoming you at Hydro International College.